Big jobs number is due out on Friday. There are hopes that the labor market will continue to show signs of improvement. You would think this would be great news for a company like Monster Worldwide, the job recruitment site. However, shares are down a little bit this year, and the company really has struggled. I think a lot of people are thinking that even though it's not a direct competitor per se, a site like LinkedIn really has stolen a lot of Monster's thunder. Well, guess what? Monster has recognized that it may need some help, and it looks like it is officially now for sale. The company's stock surged actually at the end of last week after the CEO hinted at a conference that Monster was considering strategic alternatives, which is essentially a code word, euphemism for, hey, Wall Street, we're for sale. Monster made it official on Monday. After the bell, the company said it has hired bankers to help pursue some of those strategic alternatives. So will Monster actually get bought? There are a lot of people who think that it could be a good target for private equity firms, definitely something that could be done in an LBO. However, I think investors need to be wary. Monster stock is trading higher early trading Tuesday on this news, but Monster's been a takeover target for years. I've been following this company for a long time at CNN Money, and I've written many stories about all the various takeover rumors. Google's been mentioned often as a possible acquirer. You've had newspaper companies like Gannett, which own stakes in CareerBuilder, also mentioned from time to time. LinkedIn, now that it's public and has stock that it could use for a deal, potentially could even buy Monster if it so chose. However, you do have to wonder if this company's been independent for such a long time and is just now seeking a buyer, is anyone actually going to come sniffing around? Probably. I'm sure people will look at Monster's books. Maybe there'll be a deal, but don't hold your breath. Monster's been a takeover target for years, rumored target that is, and it may just stay that way, a target and not an actual acquisition.